People perform lion dances at festivals or big occasions to bring good fortune and chase away the evil spirits. Lion dances are held all over Houston, and at Kroger, we're very happy to be able to share with you and also to bring the tradition and the culture right here into your neighborhood.
You know, to see a company like Kroger have a celebration like this for the public, I think it's incredibly important because it just means, you know, we feel included, we feel recognized and part of the community. And to have a company recognize that we are a big part of the community, I think it's really, really important.
So we have been in this area for about 20 years and it's so exciting, and we don't have to drive far away to Chinatown to celebrate the New Year. That's so wonderful and we enjoy it. So hopefully we can come here to celebrate every year.